Yeah. Hello loves, today we're going to be installing some clip-ins by the brand Lachey. I've worked with this brand before, so I know the quality is already there. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is what my hair looks like, just straightened out. And of course I can wear my hair like this, but I like to wear clip-ins just to add volume and also to add length and fullness. So my hair is uneven because look at this, like no ma'am. So no ma'am, I don't like that. Like this side looks better, but what is this? So the clip-ins are gonna help with that. It's gonna fill in that area and just make everything look a bit more fuller and just put together. I feel like you can never have too many clips, so thank you. And so these are the seamless clip-ins, natural color, 18 inches, 110 grams, Yaki straight. I love that they added in some extra clips just in case any of the clips off of the clip-ins come off. This is what the Wealth looks like. Oh, these are beautiful, y'all. These are beautiful. I picked Yaki straight because I feel like it matches well with my hair texture. I've done kinky straight. I feel like kinky is a little bit too full for me. I like the more silkiness of the Yaki straight. Yaki straight mimics my hair when my hair is flat iron, and kinky straight mimics my hair when it's just blow dry. This is what the Wealth looks like, and this is the longest piece in here, and these are the seamless clip-ins. So this is really thin right here, so it's going to blend in very well when you clip it in. Thinner right here, so it's going to ensure that everything is flat and looks more realistic and not humpy and things like that. In this one pack I got 7 clip-ins. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and part off a section in the back. So I'm just going to do a straight line, a straight part right here in the back. To open in your clips, you just push back on them and they just open right up. So you just open your clip-ins, and then what you're gonna do is slide your clip-in in. So my scalp is right here. Slide my clip-in in and close the clip. Depending on how you want to wear your hair, you don't want it to be all the way to the edge, because if you want to do a ponytail, you don't want the clip-in all the way at the edge. You're going to be able to see it when you put it in a ponytail. So you want to have some of your natural hair left at the end. So now I've used all the long pieces, like the long pieces in width out of the first pack. So that's where the second pack comes in handy at, because all I have left are these smaller pieces. And these are great for like the front and bang area, but it's not gonna help me finish this piece off over here. So what we're gonna do is open the second pack and pull some out of the second pack. I think this might be perfect, so we're gonna go right here and it goes to right here. So that's perfect. So let's decide, what do we want to do? Are we filling the side part, or do we want to do a middle? I think I'm filling a middle. I'm just gonna go in on each side and add some clip-ins, because all of this is my hair, and right here you can see where my hair stops. You can see where my hair stopped. So we're gonna add those clip-ins to just make sure everything is blending well together. This is why I say placement is important, because what I'm gonna have to do is, instead of doing them like this, I'm gonna have to do it at an angle in order for that hair to fall and fill in this area right here. So I'm going to take this one out, and on this side I'm going to part at an angle, and I'm going to install the clip in like that. When this hair comes down, it's going to fall and cover up this area right here. So y'all see what the difference that makes? Now let me take this hair down so you can see the big difference that makes. So now when I comb it down, you see? So that makes a huge difference. When I comb it down, even if I comb it straight, it looks like this. Like the hair is longer, but you can kind of still see through it. I feel like we need one more, but it fills in that gap where my hair was like, where my hair is shorter. So now I'm just going to do this side to match this side. You can see, y'all see the difference that it makes? Boom. And then this is without filling it in. These clip-ins look so good. I haven't even went in with the flat irons yet. The last thing I like to do to bring the whole look together is apply edge control to my edges just to slick them down. And that makes a huge difference. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Absolutely love how they turned out. They blend so well with my hair. This hair is from Lachey Hair, so definitely check them out if you guys are interested in these clip-ins. I have 18 inches. And they just blend so seamless. I love that. So next time, I'm definitely going to do like a side part. But I feel like the middle part is just, she eating right now. I love it. I love it. I love it, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time. Bye.